This is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Led on C programming. So in this video tutorial we're gonna see how we can download and install the IDE or the compiler to develop the C programs. So first go to Google and there we have to write dev C++. So click on the first link and it's gonna open up this bloodshed software. So go to this downloads, then click on this dev cpp, then here go to the download page, and it's gonna open up the dev C++ resource site, and click on download from SourceForge. Then it will start your download. Then it will start downloading. So I'm gonna cancel this just because I already have that software. So now go and open up your download folder, and there you will find this, and you can find this devcpp application file is downloaded to your computer. So go and double click on it. It's gonna say okay, run. So select English or your language, then I agree, then next, install. And it says, do you want to install it for all users? Say yes, no problem. Okay, then finish. So it's gonna open up. Okay, then next, and okay, it's gonna open up this dev cpp for you. So now we have to make some specific settings. So these settings are not necessary, but if you're following my tutorial, then it's always good to display the line numbers. So that's why you're gonna go for these tools, editor options, then here I'm gonna unselect this one, right margin visible, then go to this display and line numbers and click OK. So now go to this file, new, and source file. So it's gonna open up a new source file for you. From the next tutorial we're gonna start writing the codes. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I see you in the next tutorial.